All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today we got a crazy video for you guys. So what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to take you through 5 different stocks. We're going to invest $10,000 and I'm going to show you how to get some absolutely ridiculous cash flow from that $10,000. What we'll do is we'll add up the yearly total income and then we'll divide it by 12 and we'll get that monthly income. By the way, these are all monthly paying stocks. So I hope you guys like monthly paying stocks. I really like monthly paying stocks, but you should too because they put money in your pocket every single month. All right, enough of that. So currently we're sitting at 139 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. I don't want to take anything for granted. We're up 125 subscribers in the last 28 days, more like the last 7 days. You guys are doing amazing. We're building that awesome community. You guys continue to comment. 14 comments on the previous video. And I'm so grateful for everything. Our videos are all doing well, so thank you for that. We have a video that actually just crossed over the 1,000 barrier mark. I'm not sure if it's here or not. I'm pretty sure it's, yes, how I plan to invest in TSLY. That one got over 1,000 views, so thank you so much to everyone who watched that video. But enough about that. Let's get back into this current video. So the 5 stocks that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to start one by one. So we're talking about TSLY. I've talked more than enough on this channel about TSLY. Currently we're sitting at about $17, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dividend yield from each stock. I have a trusty handy calculator right here, and I'm going to put $2,000 into each stock at their dividend yields. So TSLY sells synthetic covered calls on TSLY, and it produces a 65% dividend yield. So what I want to do here, 2,000 times 0.65 equals to $1,300 a year from a $2,000 investment. Going to our next dividend stock, we got KLIP. I have a video on KLIP in my channel, so please, if you didn't watch that already, please do go and watch that. What they do is KLIP sells covered call options on KWEB, which is the Chinese internet sector. Let's see if it shows it up here. Okay, it just looks futuristic. That's about it. But they sell covered call options on KWEB, which is the Chinese internet sector, and it's an established ETF with a deep options market. I'm not sure what a deep options market means, but they basically sell covered calls on KWEB and they track the performance just like TSLY and TSLY. So KLIP has a 54% dividend. I know, okay, I'm slightly rounding up, but you know what, can you blame me here? Okay, we're going, oh, whoops, my bad. So we got 1,300 plus 2,000, another 2,000 invested times, what was that dividend yield? We got 54%, so 0.54 equals to 2,380. So we're only 2 stocks in, $4,000 invested, and we're already up to $2,380 for the current year. Okay, next we're going to Credit Suisse. Credit Suisse produces a covered call ETN, not an ETF. This is an ETN called USOI. I know ETNs are generally a bit more risky because not only do you have to rely on the underlying sector, which is the crude oil market, but you also have to rely on Credit Suisse, which is the issuer of the fund. But I did create a video on USOI. If you guys do want to go check that out, please do so. I have a video on most of these like funds that I'm putting in my video right now, but I'm just making you guys aware so you can go back and watch those videos later. But it produces a 36, since we rounded up, we're going to round down, 36% dividend here. So we'll do plus 2,000 times 0.36. We are now up to $3,100, $6,000 invested. The next fund is going to be CLM. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through this entire thing. Just kidding, because that is extremely boring and I'm not here to waste your time. Cornerstone is a fund that invests basically for you and produces a yield. I'm not super sure how they get their yield. I'm going to be completely honest. I haven't done much research. I do watch a guy and he really recommends Cornerstone. He says it's a 4-star fund. You can see here that their earnings per share is negative. They're a fund, so I'm assuming like if the companies they invest in go down, they generally lose money because their stock price loses money. But over the past little while, they've actually done like pretty decent. You'll look at their history and you'll say, okay, they're straight down, but they've been producing a massive yield of 18%. So it kind of balances out when you look at it that way. I can do a deeper dive into this video. You guys just let me know if you want to see CLM. But sticking with this one, we got another $2,000 invested times 18%. We're up to almost 3,500. And we got our final stock, which is OARK, another Yield Max Innovation Option Income Strategy ETF fund. OARK sells synthetic covered calls on ARK Invest, Cathie Wood's kind of ETF, and it pays us a 36% dividend. So we're going to add on another 2,000 times 36. Okay, that gives us a total annual yield of about 41%. We'll round it up to 42% because that 0.8. But that produces $4,180 of cash flow from a $10,000 investment investing in these 5 companies. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's worthy of ridiculous cash flow. You're looking at almost a 50% return on your investment. But what we're going to do now is we're going to take this 4180, we're going to divide it by 12. You'll be receiving roughly $350 to then either reinvest, go on vacation, buy dinner, buy food, whatever you want. $350 is all yours to decide whatever you want to do. And that's from investing $10,000 in these 5 companies. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want to see more content like this, please do subscribe. We are a growing page on YouTube, so please do subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy. Check out our other videos on TSLY, Crane shares, bro. It's KLIP and USOI, as well as OARK. We did do a video. Check those videos out, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.